Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the steps to hide security notifications on the WhatsApp app for PC. If you're looking to streamline your experience and reduce unnecessary alerts, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your PC. You can find the app icon on your desktop or search for it in your Start menu. Simply click to launch the application. Step 2. Once the app is open, navigate to the Settings menu. Look to the left-hand side of your screen, where you'll see a menu with various options. Click on Settings to proceed. Step 3. Inside the Settings menu, locate and select Account. This section contains all the account-related settings, including privacy and security options. Step 4. Now, within the account settings, find the option labeled Security Notifications. Here, you'll see a toggle that allows you to enable or disable these notifications. To hide them, simply turn off this toggle. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully hidden security notifications on WhatsApp for PC. This adjustment gives you more control over your messaging experience and helps keep things distraction-free. If this guide was helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for tuning in, and enjoy a cleaner WhatsApp experience.